So guys, we just got this huge care package delivered to us from Alienware. It's so big that we couldn't even fit it through our front door, so we're gonna have to drag it outside into the grass and unbox it for you. All right guys, let's go check it out. Take a look at this.
It's huge.
Look how massive this is. Like, look how tall I am compared to this box.
It's nearly as big as you. Okay, now it's bigger than you.
Wait, let me get that side. Let me get that side. How are we gonna get out there without the camera? Excuse me, sir.
Step into my office.
What up?
Hello guys, welcome back. As you can see, we're back. I think this is the first video. Is it the first video back? Together?
I think so.
I think so.
I can't remember.
So, welcome back. You probably just saw there we unboxed this crazy box, which that must have been a lot of wood to ship. Wood is expensive.
But you're probably wondering, what is it and what is the story behind? Everyone's calling
Let's take a look.
Everyone is calling it the egg chair.
The egg chair kind of does look like an egg, honestly.
It looks more so like the chair from Men in Black. If you guys can reference, we'll put it in there. When Will Smith is sitting in there in his chair and he's doing like his test. That's exactly what it reminds a lot of people of. We added a light in the back of it just to make it look more futuristic. It's a really cool chair.
It looks super cool.
Tell them the story behind it.
So yeah, this is a collaboration with Bodega, and I'll give you some kind of specs, I guess. So the chair itself is based on the Alienware S5000, and they've kind of, I guess, redesigned the materials and stuff. So this is cream vegan leather, so looks pretty nice. It smells good as well.
It really does,
And then if we spin it around, we've got the shell here, which is actually made of fiberglass. So it's pretty hard.
And then down here at the bottom, they actually put a little plaque.
Yeah, designed by Oliver Mack.
Yeah, so the chair, well actually this chair, Alienware sent it to us, and there's only going to be, I believe, 11 of them made, but there is a giveaway for the chair.
There is.
But not only just the chair, there's actually a custom keyboard, and
which we're going to show you guys.
yeah, custom.
We'll probably set up a tripod in a second and unbox it.
Yeah, so it comes with a custom mousepad, which we're going to show you, and it also comes with a custom keyboard. Now, don't let this fool you, it doesn't look like this. They just put it in their normal Alienware box, but it matches. It's like a whole set that goes together. And if you guys are interested in the giveaway, we'll leave that down below in the description. It ends on, I believe, November 7th. So if you want to get into the giveaway, you got to do it soon because it ends soon. But like I said, they've only made 11 of these chairs. They're not going to sell it. So really cool to have this in our collection in our house. I feel like it's so like fits our vibe. It's so spacey and futuristic. Definitely does give me those Men in Black vibes. I love the arm rest that they did.
Yeah, they're actually really comfortable. You see here, they're actually built into the shell, like the fiberglass part.
Like, come on, it just looks so cool.
You kind of feel in the zone when you're gaming because you've got this thing over you, and also the noise. Like, it sounds different to a normal gaming chair because you kind of get this noise isolation, which is, yeah, it's pretty nice.
Yeah, I think we should unbox all the stuff.
Yeah, let's unbox the stuff.
And show them.
Just before we do that unboxing, actually, check this out, guys.
So we actually have been checking out Alienware's new laptop. This one over here in particular is Josh and I's favorite.
Yeah, this one's the X15. So we've got three laptops here. This is the M15R5, we've got the M15R6, and then we've got the X15. So this is kind of like the, I guess, gaming ultrabook. It's kind of very thin, and it's got,
look at that
RGB trackpad.
How sick is that?
It's also rocking an i9 and a 3080, which if you think about the size of this and how thin it is, yeah, pretty awesome. Anyway, enough of the laptops, let's unbox this stuff.
Okay, I guess we should go with the custom mousepad first.
Let's do it. So one thing I noticed about this is I was expecting it to be a soft mousepad, but it's actually more of a hard material.
Ooh.
I do like the color. I didn't think I'd like it when they said it was cream.
We're gonna
That's
have
actually
to
quite nice.
bend it a certain way because it's...
Yeah, it's probably gonna need some, like, I don't know, heavy books on it for a day. Yeah, so this logo is laser etched. So it's kind of like a, what would you say, like a goldy kind of color.
Yeah.
And it matches perfectly with that, or at least I think it does. Awesome.
I'll probably end up putting this in my setup. I wasn't sure if I was going to keep that chair at my desk, but I really like it, so I probably will. Okay, so the difference with this keyboard is they don't do a black color like this. They do more so, was it a gray color?
Yeah, I think because they have the lunar light and then the dark side of the moon. The dark side of the moon is like a dark gray.
Yeah.
Whereas this one, they've gone for like a, it's almost like a matte black. And then we've got the light keycaps, which is not normally a combination that they do.
Yeah, I think they do black keycaps with the black keyboard.
Yeah, and then these ones for the lunar light. In fact, I can show you Nene's. That's what the lunar light normally looks like. And then over here, we've got the custom one.
That actually looks really nice.
Oh, it is actually matte black if you feel it. It's actually
it?
like matte, the paint, yeah.
Oh.
That's cool.
So I think we'll set it up over at my desk and we'll come back and we'll show you guys.
Yeah, I'll show you the final result.
All right, so yeah, it looks really cool. I like what they did. We will have to, sadly, let this sit for like a day with some books to keep it down.
To sit flat. Or we could use Nene's tip that I saw in her Instagram from ages ago.
God,
what was
that was so long ago. So actually, you can use hot glue on the bottom of a mouse pad if it's not sitting flat, just to hold it, and the hot glue will not ruin the mouse pad because it
peels off.
peels off. So that was a trick that I used to use all the time on my previous mouse pads. Could do that. The only thing though is debating whether or not I want to cut a hole in this mouse pad, considering it's a limited edition and they're not going to make any more.
Yeah, usually we put the cable through the desk, but in this case I actually don't think it looks too bad because we've got all of this black contrasting with the cream.
Yeah,
so
cream.
I don't know, I think it looks pretty nice. Ties together really well. I actually looked up Bodega as well, so I think they're like a clothing slash footwear company, and obviously they've used their smarts when it comes to designing fashion related stuff and applied it to this custom chair. So yeah, really cool.
All right, guys, so that is about it for everything that we did with the Bodega and Alienware collaboration. Really cool thing. I wasn't expecting to actually get any of this, so a huge thank you to Bodega and Alienware for sending it to us. Really nice to have this chair, considering they're not going to make a lot of them. And
it was a very fun unboxing as well. We've never unboxed something like that. We've never used the drone before as well. We should probably
that was my idea.
That again. That was Nene's idea.
So
hopefully at some point in the future you'll see more drone unboxings. But the next video we're going to be doing is probably on these things, which Govee sent over. What are they?
So these are RGB hexagons that Govee are making now. Pretty similar to the Nanoleafs that we have over here, but just Govee's a version of them.
I've actually got the Nanoleaf hexagons, and the main reason I don't like them is because they don't look like hexagons. They're kind of rounded, whereas these actually do. And also, the other cool thing is that each part of the hexagon can be like a gradient color, whereas with the Nanoleafs, they're always one color. So yeah, that should be a fun video. Yeah,
we're gonna do more so like a vlog video of us putting them up. I think we're gonna put them up in our living room.
If we can find room for them. We're like slowly running out of room to put LED related stuff, but we'll try and find space for them.
Yeah, wait until we actually buy a house, guys. Josh and I have some really cool ideas.
That's gonna be cool.
So like my idea for our next studio space when we own our house, I want to build like a
multi-level kind of thing.
A two-tier setup where you walk upstairs, and then what I was thinking that we could have are those really cool setups that have the, what do you call them? The hydraulics that lift up the monitors up and down.
You know, like those gaming cockpit things that kind of come down, they got the triple monitors and you can move the chair and everything. That would be really cool.
Yeah, I was thinking that we could do two of them up on this two-tier setup that we decide to do, and then like down at the bottom we would have stairs and like a fireplace and stuff. Lots of ideas for the future. That's probably like 2 years out that we're looking to buy a house.
But I mean, current office, it's looking pretty sick. In fact, do you want to knock the lights off so we can give them the true effect? Check it out, guys. It looks sick. So yeah, that'll do it for today's video, guys. Hope you all enjoyed. If you did, a like rating would be much appreciated. It helps us out.
And also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Thanks for watching, guys. We will catch you in the next video.